Okay, this is PDF in Visual Basic. Visual Basic. I do it in Visual Studio 2019 with iTextSharp. Now there's multiple videos and text written about this, but it actually took me more than a week just to get my little program working, and this is a stupid little program. Okay, this is it. This is how long it is just to get it working. We can get those away if it's going to bother. That's just one of my settings. You don't need the iTextSharp PDF blah blah blah. It's only those two. But the problem is because of our what you call this? Let's quickly go and see. Yes, this is Windows 11. The moment you start typing here, you get your network framework. .NET framework. I didn't try it in 4.8 because I don't believe 4.8 is stable yet. Every time I write something there, it changes, same as in Visual Studio 2022. Okay, so the problem here is every time you go up, or your version of your iTextSharp change, or you go over to iText7, the previous one is 5, and now they're already in iText9, and every time everything changes. So I decided I will work with a I have decided that I will work with the older version of iTextSharp, which you get in. I didn't add any resources. There's no resources like in other videos. My resources is empty, as you can see. If you go over here, you will see there's no resources. It's empty. So what I did, and there are several of these guys. So when you right click and you say manage your NuGet passages, whatever you want to call it. Okay. When you type in browse and you say iTextSharp, you get different versions. Now this one I did not download, believe it or not, although it shows you it's installed. What I did was I clicked this one and installed this one, because if you install that one, this one is not installed for some reason or other. I don't know why, and although it looks the same, it's not the same. And I'm not going to use i9 either, or i7 or i5. That's all you need. You have to click that PDF A1. Maybe others get it right with others, but I think it depends on your framework, which version you're using. So the moment you install this one, that one will be installed as well. As you can see, all these, if you want to work with the XML, you can install that one too, but you must look out, this is not the same version. There's a net standard, is not the same, so you have to look very carefully. I already tried all of these, I promise you. I try all of these and none of them is working. So this one is a guy to trust. Okay. Then there's not much help on the internet. Well, there's enough help, but it's not together. None of these things you get on one page or one forum or whatever by the same writer. You get it in different sites. Okay, quickly on. This is one of my own things I put in just to make it easy and simple for the future. That new document runs with one of these guys. And this is as made as short as possible. That is my doc over there. You don't have to type in all those nonsense. You do it only here, you change it only here, and that's easier to manipulate. If you want to add a file name from a list box or something like that, it will be easier this way. Then the landscape. This is the only one I can get it to work. Now I want to show you this margins I set for test number 5 and this I set for test number 4. Before test number 4, 1, 2 and 3 was default ones. So if you do not set the page size or rotation for, okay, then it look like this. There's number 4, there's number 3, and there's number 5. So what you will see here, now how do you get this one? Come on, man. Blah 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 blah. This shows all the way. Okay. For some reason I already don't want to go away. Go away. Okay. Anyway. This is for up to number 3. When you run it, you didn't set any page margins and you didn't set and rotate. You didn't set it as your def or A4 or anything like this. It will use your default settings on your computer for your printer page sizes. So the moment you put it in A4 and you create the document, this is the layout you will get. The moment you use it in, this is now without these. This is without these. This is just normal. This is without these. So the moment you ask it to rotate, now this is this guy, rotation here, then oh nice, okay, then you get it in landscape, sorry, get it into landscape. Then it looked like this, but you didn't set the margins yet. The moment you put in your margins, and you, as you can see, I use PDF doc and not the PDF write. I'm not 100% sure why you have to do it this way, the PDF write, because where you use PDF write, I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure out why. Why is this? Because it's but anyway, it's working. So the moment you set your margins, and in this case I made it 10 by 10 by 10 by 10, you get this. Now you can see what's the difference here from the margins on the left and top, and I didn't fill it up. You can see it's a lot smaller or closer to the size of the page. Okay, this is just a playful thing, because I'm not done with my 2023 program. Still busy. Why are these standing over here? Really, guys? Okay. This Windows 11 is strange, man. Okay. Anyway, this is this. There's nothing easy around this damn thing. I will let you know, but this is the best so far. Okay.